Hello, this is Melanie Schilt of Just Face It Photography, and I'm going to show you how to create a sharpening action in Photoshop. So over here, I have my action set up in button mode. So I'm able to click and go ahead and adjust from here. But in order to create your action, you're going to need to take this out of button mode. So over here in these little three lines, you're going to click that, and then uncheck button mode. And now you're ready to create. So you're going to down here to the plus sign, you're going to go ahead and hit that, and you're going to name your action what do you want it to be. This applies to any action that you make. And down here you're going to choose the set that you want it to go in. I already have it preset to Melanie's actions, so I'm going to keep it here. And then I'm going to hit record. And then for this specific action I'm going to go ahead and make a duplicate layer. So I'm going to right click, duplicate layer, and then name it. Whoops. And then hit OK. And then here's where you proceed to make your action. So I'm going to go up to filter, all the way down to sharpen, and I'm going to do the unsharp mask. Now here I already have it preset at 77. You can adjust as low or high as you want. For me it doesn't really matter because I'm going to be able to adjust it even after the fact. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it at 59. Just hit OK. And now I want to be able to adjust this and be able to erase it off certain spots. So I'm going to make a mask on this. And then from here, you don't need to do anything else because you want to be able to adjust this in any other image that you use. So I'm going to go ahead and stop it where it's at. Down here to this little square, it's going to stop it. And now that action's complete. So you're going to go to the three tabs again and hit button mode. You can use your action here too, but I prefer button mode so I can just click it instead of having to hit the play button along with it. So I'm going to turn button mode back on. And then I'm going to delete this. And that's deleted. So now I'm ready to use it as if I opened up a brand new image. So I'm going to go over here to where I created it, and I called it Sharpen. And now here's where you'll be able to erase it off your subject, and you'll be able to also adjust the opacity. So what I like to do is, since I don't need to really adjust this whole thing in sharpness, I'm going to go over here to the eraser tool, and adjust my sizing on how much I want to erase. And I have it at 100% opacity, so I'm going to keep it that way. And go ahead and erase it off your image. And then once I'm done there, I'm going to go ahead and brush it back on my subjects because that's the only spot I want sharpened. And I kept it at 100% opacity because I know I can adjust it over here on the right. And then once you're done, you can adjust your opacity over here to how little or how much you want. I'm going to keep it about here, just for purposes of this video since it's already technically sharpened already. And then after that, I can just flatten my image. And that's it. That's all it takes to do it. And you'll be able to go back over here and open a new image and apply the same settings. And you can do the same process with any action that you create, whether it's sharpening or blurring or anything you want to do. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helped. Bye.